Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on and reviewing the Bratz collaboration with Revolution, and these are the lip crayons. I've also reviewed some eye products from the Revolution / Bratz collaboration. If you guys are interested in seeing that video, I'll put it up in the corner here so you guys can check that video out. Now, I didn't get the lip glosses because I was so more intrigued with the actual lip crayons. I heard they are extremely plumping, and as much as they sound really amazing and they are kind of up my street, I just wanted to try the lip crayons for now because these, I don't know why, these just really caught my eye. So I'm going to be swatching each colour, I'm going to be trying it on and let you guys know my thoughts about them. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Revolution / Bratz lip crayons, just keep watching. Alright guys, I have all 4 of the lip crayons right here. You can purchase these for £6 on the Superdrug website or the Revolution website. I think you can even get these on ASOS as well. So you have Yasmin, Chloe, Sasha and Jade. So this is what the box looks like. So you have the name of the brat, you have the Bratz symbol on the top of each brat, and then you've got the Bratz logo on the top, and it's just a really pretty purple box really. So this is what the packaging looks like. So each Bratz will have a different packaging. So this one is Sasha's packaging, so you've got like the bunnies on the top, but it's really cute. This one is Yasmin's. This one is Chloe's. And last but not least, this one is Jade's. Here's a swatch of all the colours. So the bottom one, you've got Yasmin, you've got Chloe, Sasha and Jade. These are beautiful. These felt really creamy when I applied them on the back of my hand. They did feel really nice. I did forget to mention as well that on the back of the packaging, it does have a sharpener on it as well, so you can sharpen the end of the lip crayon, which is really good, so you can always have a precise point. I'm going to apply each colour and let you guys know how each one applies and which one's my favourite. Say guys, I actually don't have a favourite. I like all of these. Now I know the old me would have gone straight into the vampy colours, but I mean, I know there's not really many vampy colours in this range. They are more on the nude side, obviously for different skin tones, you know. They're trying to cover everyone with all the different colours. I completely understand that. And I have to say, the colours are absolutely beautiful. These are gorgeous. They have everything from a pinky undertone to a slightly brown undertone, but not too brown, you know what I mean? They cover pretty much nearly everything, and I think these are gorgeous. The packaging is A+. I love the packaging. I think it's just fantastic. These felt really nice. They felt creamy. They glided on really nicely. None of them were patchy. And if you buy the matching glosses with these, then I think they make a nice combination. I'm wearing a gloss right now. I'm just wearing the I Heart Revolution Raspberry lip gloss on top of the shade Jade. And I think it's really comfortable and I think it feels really nice. Now when it comes to long wearing time with these, I don't think these are going to wear for quite a long time because the swatches that are on the back of my hand, they were on there for a good half an hour or so, and I have been able to smudge them, so I personally would just recommend maybe just using a lip liner that matches the colour of the lip crayons. Put that on first, then put this on top, and then that would probably make it wear a little bit longer. But I don't think these are going to last for very long, but they are very easy to touch up anyway. All you need is like a couple of swipes. You just need like 1 or 2 swipes and then the colour's back again. So it's not the end of the world. You can touch them up and you can resharpen it once it goes flat. But yeah, when it comes to wearing time, you can still see the colour on the back of my hand. But yeah, I just think if you're eating quite a lot of food or drinking, I think it is just going to come off pretty quickly. I'm sort of trying to break my barrier a little bit instead of just wearing vamp lips all the time, which I love my vamp lips. You know, it's nice to wear a nude for a change, because I sometimes feel nudes just change the whole look completely. It's like wearing false lashes, that just changes the whole look completely. So I'm trying to break my barrier a little bit and just trying to play around with new makeup and just experimenting a little bit. So I really like these colours. I think these are really nice. If you're a nudie kind of person, I think you're going to absolutely love these. I think these are really, really nice, and if you buy the matching gloss with it as well, I think they both would make a really, really good pair. So yeah, I absolutely rave these. I'm not sponsored to say this or anything. I did buy these with my own money, but I think these are great. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Take care.